beautiful people, let's make some dinner road bread together. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are the list of the ingredients I'll be using. I have my flour, melted butter, egg, sugar, warm milk and yeast. So the first thing I'll be doing is to combine all my ingredients inside my mixing bowl. So I go ahead and add my flour, sugar, egg and my yeast only. Then I'm going to put this in my mixer. Then I'll use my dough hook to start kneading this. So while I am kneading this, I'm going to add my warm milk bit by bit. After adding my milk and let that knead for some couple of minutes, I'll start adding my melted butter little by little to prevent this from sticking to my mixing bowl. Then I will also knead this for another couple of minutes. The list of all the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. You can check it out. After kneading for some minutes, my dough is ready. Can you see how stretchy it is? So this is what I have. So this is my bowl. So I'm just going to rub some melted butter inside my bowl. Then I'll get my dough. So I'm going to transfer that to my work surface just to knead it for some minutes, just to mold it round. Then once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and leave this inside my mixing bowl. Then I'm going to wrap this up and leave this for some minutes to double in size. So after about an hour, my dough have doubled in size and this is what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and deflate this, and I'm going to use my scale to measure this to give me accurate size. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead and mold this into a round shape as you see me do in this video. After molding this is what I have. I'm going to go ahead and cover this. So once I cover this, I'm going to leave this to double in size for another about an hour. So after an hour, this is what I have. I'm just going to go ahead and egg wash this. So once I finish egg washing this, I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seed on top of each of the dough, which is actually optional. You can do it without the sesame seeds. Then once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and bake this for about 30 minutes, and this is what I have. My dinner roll is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till I come next in my next video, keep believing in yourself.